I'm back with another video. This video is another wig review. This wig I am doing the Butta Lace Unit 3. Okay, in the shade, what shade did I get this in? I think I got this in 2B, 1B. I said 2B, it's not even up 2B. In the 1B, and this wig is just so bomb, y'all. And it is a HD lace. So let's go ahead and throw this bad boy on and let's see how what she give it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put her on, y'all, because I'm so excited. Like, I've been waiting to get this wig, but like every time I go buy it be sold out. Everywhere be sold out. So I finally got my hands on it. I finally found the website that had it in stock, because every time, I'm telling y'all, for the past couple of months I've been trying to get this wig and it been sold out, y'all, everywhere. It's been really sold out. So I'm so excited that I finally got this wig. So let's go ahead and put her on. Yeah, I had to turn the camera back on because just to show y'all how bomb this wig looks. Like, do y'all see that curl? Let me take off the net, because the net, ooh, baby, look at this fucking wig. Tell me this wig not fucking fur. Yeah. You don't know what you're looking at. Y'all, look at this wig, and it's soft. It's soft, y'all. Oh my god, I'm not gonna try to run my hands through it because I don't want to mess up the pattern. But look at that lace. Can y'all see? There we go. Look at that lace. Look at that lace, y'all. Y'all see that? Oh my god. Also, y'all, it comes with baby hairs all around the unit. But this is how the lace look. It just lace around the edges and lace down the part. And it comes with adjustable straps. It do not have adjustable band, elastic band. Just a strap, adjustable straps with 3 combs to it, the front right here and one in the back. And y'all, this is how the wig look. Yes, she is bomb, y'all. I'm so excited. Okay, let's put her on now, and then okay, the wig is on now. It is a little bit snug. I have a big head, so all my big head girls, it will fit a little bit snug on your head. I don't like that, but yeah, this is a beautiful wig. Like, look at these curls, yeah. Like, what? Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her, okay? Like, she is bomb. She is bomb. Okay, now with the hairline, you can go in and pluck a little bit more if you want it to be more realistic, more like your hairline. But I'm not gonna do all that. But it's real good. It's pre-plucked. But if you want to be more extra and pluck more, then you could go in and pluck more. Like I said, it comes with the baby hairs, you know what I mean? Real cute, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it, cut the lace off, style the wig, and do all that good experience. So just stay tuned. So you guys watched me saw what I did. I only had added some foundation. Where is my foundation? I only added my foundation that was closer to my skin tone, because I mostly use foundation that's darker than me when I do my makeup. But I had found the foundation that was close to my skin tone. And this wig is real cute, y'all. Like, look at the curls. Ain't this wig cute? Look at the curls. Like, it was real easy to lay down the lace. And y'all saw me use the Got to Be glue for my baby hairs. I didn't really do too much on my baby hairs because I really don't know how to do baby hairs. So it was just something real simple. But the curls in this wig is real cute. The texture is soft and like it's, I don't know, y'all, it's just real cute. I just know that. Go get this wig, y'all. I will leave the link down below. Also, this wig was $42.95, so plus the $3.99 shipping. So y'all, yeah. Okay, now this is the stock card. On the stock card, the wig even look bomb. You guys know on most of the wig stock cards, it be looking, it don't be cute. But on this stock card, it's real cute. This wig is real cute, y'all. Like, I don't know, it's just real bomb. Okay, and like I said, it's just the lace, ear-to-ear lace with the lacing apart in. I have a big head, like I told you guys, so it's a little bit snug, but it fits. It was pre-plucked or whatever. So overall, this wig is bomb. That's all I'm gonna say. Link in the description. The link to this wig will be in the description bar down below. So go ahead and get you one, y'all. Okay, because this is real cute. Like, look at these curls.
As long as
real cute.